Isn't working, so I deleted it real quick, and I'm going to go over it again. So you're not going to get quite the reaction that I had when I first saw this. I still think it's hilarious. I'm cracking up about it now, but not as quite hilarious as when I saw it the first time. Okay, there's this guy. Hold on. Andre. Sorry, I'm retarded. Andre Antunes. He takes videos, clips that he finds on YouTube, I guess. I didn't do any research. I'm just kind of spitballing it because I wanted to get this out as quick as possible because I think it's hilarious. Again, hilarious. And he puts his music to it. He does his own music to it. And what was the first one I stumbled on? Some Bitcoin. He was like a preacher or something, and he was talking about Bitcoins. So I pulled up his channel. Let's put it on here so you can see. I pulled up his channel. Boop. That one. And started looking through his stuff, and I saw one called Pig Calling. Here, Piggy Piggy or something. No free ads. Pig calling contest goes metal. The first part of this is kind of lame, but watch through to the lady. I think it's hilarious. I'll move out of the way so you won't see me, because if I stand on either side I kind of block everything. But watch it all the way through. I think you'll get a kick out of it.
Since you guys are clapping, can I get a clap, like a steady clap, like? No.
Oh, what's it? That's almost as good as the farting preacher. Ah. That's it. If I find anything else that makes me crack up, I'll be back on. See you. Oh, shit.